So Force Punch, one of KO, but Aaron has sturdy, so I hate it. And we're gonna have Iron Head on us. Oh, that actually does a decent amount of damage. But Rock Tomb should finish it off. And Aaron's dead. Aaron's dead.
In heaven.
Yeah, so
But we got enough of them, remember you?
yeah, I'll probably say to him that like one day, like, hey, remember that Aaron we defeated in that one video that we made? And it's like, no. That's right, what's gonna happen. He is very good. This is what he always says. He says he's good at not remembering. And he's breathing down my neck right now. Please get off of me. Griffin!
No.
Okay. We almost didn't have this video. Please get off of me. You guys are... What are you talking? Where are you talking? Taking the professor. Hey! Wait up! That's probably not Team Aqua, obviously, if I had to guess. Because Team Aqua never has anything to do with anything. Okay. So we're gonna destroy Camper Shane. Okay. Move Ziggy up in the front because we can. And let's go for a ping missile here. Also, you think we can. Let's hope for a critical hit. No. Oh, please, that's heavy. Okay, that didn't do way too much. Way too much. So we know that thing has Electro Ball. So I say just get into Patty because he's probably gonna go for another Electro Ball. He like the oh, he uses Encore, so you know he has Encore and Electro Ball. So let's use Mud Bomb on him. So that should one-hit KO him. Okay, yeah, so let's, so Volbeat. Yeah, let's switch into Star here. Star should be able to take it out. Please do not do that.
That's right.
Fine, show them.
If that will make you happy.
That does anything but make me happy, just so you know. So, let's swing attack this thing. So, sorry about him, but I don't think I want to learn Quick Guard, but what does it do? Priority moves? I don't know. Let's get rid of it, because I don't really know what Quick Guard does. Really that much. I'm kind of a noob at those games. So, way too strong. So we're destroying the Camper. So obviously Team Aqua cannot be here because that would make no sense at all. So let's just get through this cave without any Team Aqua or anything. Because why would Team Aqua be here? So I don't know. Actually, it surprises me that Taddy hasn't learned want any water. No good water moves yet. I think he would have learned some better things. He can't do much at all. Yeah, he only has water gun. I think he would learn a better move than water gun. Or better water move than water gun by now. Corvette. Yeah, it was Corvette, dude. Well, let's get rid of tackle. I don't know why we still have tackle, honestly. We should have gotten rid of tackle a long time ago. So yay, we got Corvette. Bingo. Okay, we're going to water fly. Oh well, I guess we're staying in for that. Oh no, he's a flying type too. Thundercat may be able to take it. I just hope he can. Okay. This is good, seems like. I think we're gonna spark it. That should be 4 times super effective. Oh, we can tackle it. Yeah, Spark KOs it. Bingo Fainter. I think he used just fire types, so I don't know why he has a Wingull. Oh, okay, I'm fighting a Hyper now. Let's see, this guy uses rockets, so I think we rely on Taddy here. And now I think with rock types, no, Toad didn't die from rock types. No, he died from Growl. Good times in Growl. I think he was the only one who used in the entire gym. Roxanne. If you guys didn't see that episode, go watch it. It was a good episode, actually. I forget making it. Okay, he's level 30. One step closer to level 36. And being a Swampert here. It's good. It's good. Definitely good. No, let's not switch Pokemon. My Pokemon are kind of damaged. I think I want to go heal up after this. Because I do know Team Aqua is in here. And of course, Geodude has 30. Because what else would it have? Okay, it's good. We have dodge, this attack, and yeah. Yeah, I think we should go heal up after this. I don't think we should use potions now. We should save our stuff for when we really need it, so we don't really need potions right now. So I think we should just go heal up. I think that guy with the Poochyena gives you the TM Roar, but I think we really need that. Oh, nope, not some. My throat's all dry. Okay. Oh, got a step. Itchy. Everything's so bright. I hope you guys can see okay. Okay, let's go over here. We fought that guy. The biggest crater of a lifetime. And we're gonna fight this guy. Okay, this is yep. Okay, we got a trap here. We're definitely not keeping Ziggy in, guys. And karate chop before I get it down to like 2 health. Instead, let's go for Star. I'm probably gonna use karate chop or focus on Ziggy. Oh no, he's using spell shot. How does that even work on those Pokemon? I don't know. It just never really made sense to me how you can low sweep a Pokemon this strong. I don't know. And that actually kind of hurt. So we are gonna maybe need to get a potion here. No lay.